My first ever car wash experience in my own car. It's like a rainbow effect of gunge. I've been slimed. Ah! Oh. I've gone for the full Shazam. I've got the hot wax treatment and everything on my car apparently. Can't wait, just hope it withstands it. There's my lovely glass sunroof, being polished. Glow and glow. Well, hey. Hot wax. My car is being waxed. Something's happening to the wheels. Now, I wonder where the wax is. I guess this is where the real loud blowers kick in now. The calm before the storm. Ooh. No. Brilliant. Done. Bonito!